Do you want to save hours of work on your WordPress site using AI? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT with WordPress, covering plugins, content ideas, coding help, SEO, and even WooCommerce workflows. I've been a web designer for 20 years, helping businesses build and grow online. And I've tested a lot of WordPress tools, and ChatGPT is one of the most game-changing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use ChatGPT to speed up your content creation, improve SEO, and streamline your WordPress workflow. So, let's get into it. Tip number 1. Integrating ChatGPT with WordPress. Integrating ChatGPT into WordPress is easier than most people think. The simplest way is by using a plugin that connects your site to the Open AI API. Popular choices include AI Engine or Jetpack AI Assistant. Once installed, these plugins let you interact with ChatGPT directly from your WordPress dashboard. You can generate blog posts, edit content, brainstorm ideas, or even create meta descriptions without leaving your site. Another method is to connect ChatGPT through automation tools like Zapier. This amazing tool allows you to set up workflows that automatically generate and publish content. In my experience as a web designer, I recommend starting with a plugin because it's user-friendly and requires no coding. From there, you can explore more advanced integrations as your needs grow. Tip number 2. Use the best WordPress plugins for ChatGPT. There are several excellent plugins that bring ChatGPT functionality into WordPress. As mentioned earlier, AI Engine is one of the most popular because it offers a wide range of features, from generating blog posts to creating custom chatbots. Jetpack AI Assistant, developed by Automatic, the team behind WordPress.com, integrates smoothly for quick content drafting. Having tested many tools, I recommend AI Engine for flexibility and Jetpack AI Assistant for simplicity. Always make sure the plugin is regularly updated and supported. It's worth paying for premium versions if they save you hours of work. Tip number 3. Write blog posts directly inside WordPress. ChatGPT can write blog posts directly inside WordPress when you use the right plugin. For example, AI Engine lets you open the editor, type in a prompt like, "Write a 1,000-word article about SEO tips for small businesses," and instantly get a draft. However, I always emphasize that you shouldn't copy-paste AI output without editing. AI can give you a strong first draft, but you'll need to refine the tone, add personal experience, and check for accuracy. As someone who has written blogs for businesses for years, I find ChatGPT best used as a co-writer. Let it handle the structure and research-heavy parts while you bring in your expertise to make the content trustworthy and unique. Tip number 4. Use ChatGPT to optimize SEO for WordPress websites. ChatGPT is a powerful assistant for SEO when paired with WordPress. It can generate keyword ideas, write SEO-friendly meta descriptions, and suggest optimized headlines. For example, you can ask it, "Give me 10 meta descriptions under 160 characters for a WordPress maintenance services page." It will instantly provide options you can refine and use. Plugins like Rank Math or Yoast SEO integrate nicely with AI-generated content. You can draft with ChatGPT, then run it through those tools to fine-tune keyword density and readability. From my experience with SEO, the best approach is to let ChatGPT give you multiple versions, then apply your judgment to choose the one that best matches your target audience and search intent. Tip number 5. Use ChatGPT to help design or customize a WordPress theme. While ChatGPT won't design graphics or layouts directly, it's very helpful for theme customization. You can ask it to generate custom CSS snippets, PHP functions, or even explain how to modify template files. For example, you might say, "Write me CSS to change the color of my WordPress navigation menu when I hover." ChatGPT will generate the code and guide you on where to paste it. As a web designer, I've used it as a quick assistant when working on client projects. It speeds up problem solving and helps confirm best practices. That said, I always recommend testing code in a staging environment first, since AI-generated snippets sometimes need adjustments. Tip number 6. Create product descriptions for WooCommerce with ChatGPT. WooCommerce stores can save a ton of time with ChatGPT. Writing dozens or hundreds of product descriptions manually is exhausting, and that's where AI shines. With plugins like AI Engine or automation tools, you can feed ChatGPT the product name, category, and features, and it will generate unique SEO-friendly descriptions. For example, instead of blue t-shirt, ChatGPT can craft a soft, breathable cotton t-shirt designed for comfort and style, available in multiple sizes. To make this even more powerful, you can ask ChatGPT to create variations so your store avoids duplicate content. In my experience, ChatGPT is best at turning dry specs into customer-friendly copy that sells. Tip number 7. Use ChatGPT to generate code snippets or fix errors in WordPress. This is one of ChatGPT's most underrated uses. Whether it's a custom shortcode, a function for your child theme, or troubleshooting an error message, ChatGPT can quickly suggest code. For example, you might ask, Give me a WordPress function to display the current year in the footer. It will generate the PHP snippet ready to use. I've personally tested this on multiple projects, and it works very well for small to medium fixes. The key is to double check the output and run it in a safe environment. AI isn't perfect, but it can point you in the right direction much faster than digging through documentation. Tip number 8. Use ChatGPT to manage content workflows in WordPress. ChatGPT can help streamline your content workflow by acting as a brainstorming partner and task manager. You can use it to plan an editorial calendar, generate outlines for blog posts, or even create draft posts that your team can review. Pairing ChatGPT with automation tools like Zapier allows you to set up workflows where an idea in a Google Sheet automatically becomes a draft in WordPress. In my experience, this saves hours of manual work and keeps content production consistent. For freelancers and agencies, it's a way to scale content output without sacrificing quality control. Tip number 9. The pros and cons of using ChatGPT with WordPress. The biggest advantage is efficiency. ChatGPT can draft content, code, and workflows quickly. It's also highly flexible, adapting to any niche or project. On the downside, AI-generated content can sometimes sound generic, lack originality, or even contain errors. Over-reliance on it can hurt your site if you don't add a human touch. I always recommend using ChatGPT as an assistant, not a replacement. With my 20 years of web design experience, I've found the best results come from blending AI speed with human expertise. That balance gives you both productivity and authenticity. Tip number 10. Using ChatGPT plugins safely on a WordPress site. Always download from trusted sources like the WordPress.org repository or well-known developers. Check reviews, active installations, and recent updates before installing. Security is a top priority, so avoid plugins that haven't been updated in a long time or request unnecessary permissions. I recommend starting with a staging site to test compatibility. In my professional work, I always verify plugin safety before adding them to client websites. Used carefully, ChatGPT plugins are safe and can greatly enhance your WordPress workflow. So, to sum it up, whether you're blogging, running a WooCommerce store, or customizing your site, ChatGPT can act like your personal assistant inside WordPress. And if you would like more tips on running a smooth, profitable web design business, please like this video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any valuable tips. My name is Fabio Peters. Until next time, take care.